be here soon.
At least no ice, right, Lainey?
No.
Yeah, it looks like snow across our area. We're not worried about sleet or freezing rain with this particular scenario, but we do have that ice on the ground, so the snow will be on top of that. Teens, 20s, and 30s, they are going to continue in our forecast heading right through the weekend. It's dry most of the day tomorrow, but by tomorrow night, we will start to see at least a little bit of snow making its way into parts of our area. That weekend storm will bring snow, a powdery snow, developing over the Carolinas. Bands of heavy snow are possible. Where we see those heavier bands, we're going to see higher totals. And yes, there is room for some dry air to get mixed into this too, which would lessen some of those totals across the area. The highest totals I think we're going to see across the Carolinas could be in the double digits. And yeah, it's possible we could see double digits in areas that usually don't see any snow. This major impact zone does include areas all along I-85 down to Greenville-Spartanburg, south to Columbia, all the way south of Myrtle Beach. And look at this high impact for the Outer Banks and extreme eastern North Carolina, because we are anticipating snow as the main precipitation type across the entire of North Carolina as well as South Carolina. So we're looking at the snow developing in the mountains by late tomorrow afternoon. That's why they've already gone to warning status. We'll look for warnings to be posted across the foothills and the Piedmont Triad to come as we get closer to this event. Potential for significant snow across the area. Right now, temperatures are below freezing still, low 20s in the mountains, upper 20s and low 30s across the Triad. We saw some clouds coming in this afternoon. Clouds will be thick for your Friday. We'll start close to 20, should barely get above freezing tomorrow afternoon. The watches and warnings take effect by tomorrow afternoon, and we have a small chance for at least a few flakes as early as tomorrow afternoon. In the foothills, temperatures in the low 30s by late day, and in the mountains, temperatures in the mid to upper 20s by late afternoon. And again, we'll start to see at least a few snow showers. It may be one of those situations where it shows up on radar, doesn't make it down to the ground, but then eventually we do see that breakthrough of snow. This area of low pressure we will track. It will continue to work its way to the east. A second low will develop somewhere off the coast. Now, where it develops, its strength, its track, those are all key in what's happening. So not only at the surface with that low, but also upstairs in the atmosphere, another area of low pressure could enhance the snowfall if it phases or lines up with that surface low to create some heavier bands. And we're anticipating that that will happen somewhere over the Carolinas. It's pretty difficult to determine exactly where at this point, but you can see the snow all the way south, almost to the Georgia border. And then, yeah, the beaches are getting snow with this storm. This is early tomorrow morning into the afternoon. You see some of the snow showers kind of streaking. Remember, it's a light, powdery, fluffy snow. And then as we head into Saturday morning and during the day on Saturday, we anticipate to see some of those heavier bands setting up over the Carolinas and then continuing to move east. Now, this storm could be winding down by midnight tomorrow, or I should say Saturday in our area, and then really not winding down for the coast until early Sunday morning. Potential exists for some pretty high snowfall totals somewhere in the Carolinas. Now, our snowfall map taking all of this into consideration, it's dry, it's powdery, there's a different ratio for water. We do think there'll be some heavy bands. There could also be some dry air, so it's very complicated, but we've come up with this. We do think an average of 2 to 4 inches across our foothill communities up toward the border. There's room for 4 to 6 inches or more along the 85 and Florida corridors, or I should say I-40 corridors, and then farther to the south, we think we could see even higher amounts. That is south and east over toward Raleigh and toward the coast. Again, a lot of challenges with this. We could see some changes popping up here in the next 24 hours. We'll be watching the development of this low very closely. We'll also try to pin down the drier slots, the heavier banding, and the fact that some of that energy could kind of transfer very quickly to the coast and then dry everything up very quickly, which would of course limit snowfall totals as well. So these are all things we're looking at behind the scenes. What I want you to know is that we do have the threat for significant snow across our area on top of what we already have. So that, of course, doesn't help with travel across our area. Then we've got really cold air coming in behind this with dangerous wind and wind chill. So much so that they've already put out a cold weather advisory for our entire area. And that is for wind chill values that will likely get below 0 in that Saturday to Sunday time frame. So we could also have visibility issues on Saturday with that snow blowing around. It's blustery into the day on Sunday. We're hopeful that we will see temperatures climbing well above freezing into next week.